I always had a little bit of a recession, so that wasn't that big of a deal. But I noticed probably when I was around 17 that my recession was showing a little bit more and it concerned me. So this has been something that I've stressed about for probably the last 20 plus years. It wasn't until probably 7 or 8 years ago where we did family pictures and I noticed a little bit of thinning in the back. And I would ask different people, do you think I'm thinning? I'd ask my wife, and she would say, no, you're good.
He would always look in the mirror and say, "Am I thinning? Am I thinning?" Or in pictures, and I never really noticed, maybe because it wasn't something I'm fixated on, but I knew that he was. So I was always just super supportive of whatever he wanted to do.
Really, that's when I seriously started contemplating it. That's when I started thinking about getting on medication, and that's when I started looking into different surgery options. As a specialist in my field, I'm known for my detail work, and so I wanted to find somebody that was into the details. And with my hair being so fine, I just wanted somebody that knew how to reconstruct my hairline because it's something I was going to have forever, and I didn't want to redo it.
I think when he first started looking into it, I was wondering if they were going to be able to create a good hairline because I have seen where it's more blunt or straight across. So I was just kind of curious how that was going to look and if it was going to change his appearance at all.
I was blown away from the beginning, just looking at how they reconstruct hairlines, how professional they are, how they are detailed, and that's what won me over ultimately. I met with Dr. Barton first thing in the morning. I came with photographs. He gave me a very clear expectation of what we were going to do, and then his staff was so friendly. I think it took about the whole process maybe 11 hours or so, but it didn't feel super long. For me, my hair has affected my life for the past 20 years. It's something I've thought about. It's something that I've fixated on. It affected my mood. When it changed, I felt I had to change parts of me and I had to look at how I dressed and what I did. And so having that back, I feel more like me now. That version of me that I wanted has come back. And I think that has changed how I feel about myself, how I present myself in all of those ways.
I think the end result has been so amazing. Like, it's so thick, even thicker than before, and it's just made him so happy and confident. And we're both so excited and pleased with the results.
Mhm.